Whenever people hear about the idea of a time machine, a sense of curiosity naturally arises in their minds. Imagine, if in the future a time machine were ever built, then why doesn't anyone from that future come back to our time and tell us something about it? This question comes to many minds, and there are possibly two simple reasons for this. First, it might be that time travel is only possible toward the future, not the past. In other words, once the machine is activated, we might only be able to move forward in time, not backward. Secondly, it could be that in the future, such a situation has arisen where there is no one left alive on Earth. As a result, no one is able to return and communicate with us. But the most complex puzzle about the idea of time travel is something called the grandfather paradox. Imagine you travel to the past and kill your grandfather when he was a child. That means you would never be born. But if you are never born, then who went back in time and killed your grandfather? This kind of paradox shows us that although time travel is easy to imagine in theory, it is extremely difficult to make it logically consistent in reality. That's why many scientists and philosophers believe that if an idea easily leads to paradoxes and has no natural or logical resolution, it is most likely not possible in reality. On the other hand, some scientists believe that something like the multiverse theory might work. It means that if you go back in time and change something, it only affects another universe, while our own universe remains unchanged. This theory has not yet been proven, but it gives the concept of time travel an entirely new perspective. In short, no matter how many questions time travel raises, it not only sparks curiosity, but also helps us understand the true nature of our universe. Until these paradoxes are fully explained, time travel will remain a fascinating game of imagination. And the multiverse theory makes it even more exciting. A world where every decision gives birth to a brand new universe. I will talk about that in detail in my next video.